Hi, I'm Steve. Welcome to the first of our tips videos. So in this one we're going to cover, as we said in the text, how you find employees when you think all your employees have gone missing. When you come into the daily times screen, basically what you'll see is you'll see all employees. Now the thing to remember with the daily times screen, by default it only shows you any employee who's done something that was unexpected and up to and including yesterday. It doesn't show you today by default. It doesn't show you people who've done the right thing. So to see all your employees under the basic daily times, you simply click on the filter button, you change the flag to any, and I always recommend that you tick the show days not expected to work, which means it'll pick up anyone that's on leave or a casual roster. And if you wanted to also see today, you simply untick the show only finished days and you apply that, and then you'll get all data for all employees that hasn't already been posted to payroll. If you're using the advanced daily time screen, which is basically the same but it's a different layout, and if you haven't used this before, we'd recommend that you email our success team at timehub.co.nz, and Julie and Charlene will send you a video of how to use the advanced features in this particular one. But the same thing applies if you're using this advanced screen. By default, you'll only see employees who have got one of the flags against the record for the current period. If you want to see all data for all employees, you simply click on the filter, you clear out all of the flags, and again you show today and you show days not expected to work, and then when you search you'll get all data for all employees. So now you're going to get every record for every employee. Now, as I said, there are some advanced features in this advanced option, so we would suggest that you, if you haven't had a play with it, have a play with it, have a play with the filters, or ask the team for a video on how to use those features. But hopefully that'll help you find your employees when they've all gone missing.